Today, we're about to take you on an exclusive tour of the stunning home collection of one of Hollywood's most beloved actors, Keanu Reeves. You might know him from iconic movies like The Matrix and John Wick, but did you know he has an incredible taste in homes too? Let's dive in. Keanu's home collection is a blend of modern elegance and architectural brilliance. First stop, his contemporary Los Angeles penthouse, offering breathtaking views of the city skyline and luxurious amenities that redefine urban living. But that's not all. Keanu also owns a serene beachfront property in Malibu. This stunning retreat provides a private oasis, allowing him to unwind and escape the Hollywood hustle whenever he desires. And here comes the showstopper, his breathtaking countryside estate. Nestled amidst nature's splendor, this expansive property boasts lush gardens, a tranquil lake, and a magnificent mansion that reflects Keanu's love for peace and privacy. There you have it, folks. Keanu Reeves' home collection is a testament to his refined taste and desire for spaces that inspire and rejuvenate. If you found this video fascinating, hit the like button, subscribe to our channel, and share it with your friends. Stay tuned for more exciting content on Earn Online with Rabina. Thanks for watching.